Hi there, Chris Fox here. Still working on this engine, Cummins engine here for Halton County Radial Railway. You've seen in the other videos, it's NHRS 743 cubic inch Cummins, and what we're doing today is we're ridge reaming. So the ridge reamer finally came in, and everything takes a long time now to do anything because of supply issues. But anyways, this has, I want to take the pistons out to check the rings, put any rings in it actually. So far this engine looks really good, but you need to take the pistons out properly, you need to take the ridge off. Now, I don't know if you can see that in there, that dark section here. And then there's a light section on the bottom. That's where the ridge is, right there above my fingernail. Almost hear it. Okay. I've ridge reamed these cylinders 1 and 2 already. So it's actually very, very nice. They're good. And the cylinder bore on these is 5 1/8, so 5.125. The ridge reamer that we have, which is this guy, just a Hastings ridge reamer. It's a good little machine, good little tool. It only expands, these wings expand out, and I'm sure there's 1,000 videos online that show you how to ridge ream. Well, I'm going to show you, but I mean, this isn't a ridge reaming video, this is about restoring Halton's engine. So, anyways, these little wings here expand out, jam themselves into the wall of the cylinder, and then as you turn this cutter here gets put against the wall, and as you move up through this very, very fine thread here, machines off the ridge. So you can get the piston out, because with the ridge still there, you try to lift the piston out, the piston rings will actually get caught on the ridge and you can't get them out. And if you do, you'll either break the ring or you will damage the lands, which the grooves in the piston where the rings sit. You'll actually damage the skirt of the piston. Anyway, so we don't want to do that, so we're taking the ridge off. So that's what that does. Anyways, because that's only 5 inches and this is 5 1/8, it will sit. It won't expand enough to squeeze against the wall, so we had to come up with something. So we discussing with a bunch of guys, came up with using my slip roller. I made a sleeve. I know it doesn't look the best, but it works good. And you put this down in here, bottom it out on top of the piston, and this is just enough so I can expand out, squeeze against this, then I can machine it. So let's put it together and you can see it. So you take the aluminum sleeve that I made, and you bottom it out the bottom of the piston. Then you take the ridge reamer and you set it in, and then you tighten up this nut and it'll squeeze. So I can't do that all at the same time, so I'll show it to you. You just keep going. I'll see if I can set the camera up, you can watch it. And you just Okay, you can see here, we started here, and I've wiped this off, and this is what we've cut so far. And then right here is a ridge still. So we'll pull this out, clean it all up, reset, and then cut the top half of it. Just like that. And you see all the metal filings in there we have to clean up, but there's no ridge anymore. You can take the sleeve out now. And other than vacuuming it up, you can see there with the reflection off my hand, you can see where it was right here, and now there's nothing. There's no ridge at all. It's beautiful. So carry on with that for the rest of them. And yeah, wonderful.